Note. Lami. Lami, no? Paniud to na. Ah. Good morning. May I request everybody to stand for a prayer to be led by Engineer Mala.
So please stand for the prayer. A'udzu billahi minasyaitonir rajim. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Alhamdulillahi rabbil alamin. Arrahmanir rahim. Maliki yaumiddin. Iyyaka na'budu wa iyyaka nasta'in. Ihdinas siratal mustaqim. Siratal ladzina an'amta 'alaihim ghairil maghdubi 'alaihim waladdallin. Amin.
Thank you, Engineer Mala. May I request the Secretariat to do the roll call for the members present?
Good morning, Madam Chair. We are now in the conference for opening of bid civil works for contract IDs 25KG 0031, 25KG 0032. I'll now call the roll of back members to determine the quorum. We have our back chairperson, Maria Lisa E. Pumikpik. Back regular member, Efren A. Tulud. Back regular member, Naida Bisata. Back regular member, Farida O. Manan. And back member, Eleanor F. Cabaluna. We have 5 out of 6, Madam Chair, and we have a quorum.
Thank you, Ma'am Karen. Since we are in quorum, I now declare this committee in session. Now, may I request also the Secretariat to check the attendance of our participating bidders for the TWG and the Secretariat and the online if we have.
For our TWG members, we have Engineer Paul Brian Opena, Engineer Rachid J. Mudag Jr., Engineer Fairosa R. Tabuakar, Mr. Atilano Gahi, Engineer Ivan C. Sinahon, Engineer Muhammad Ali Mala, Engineer Abdul Gafar Pandapatan, Engineer Ernesto Rowell Chu III, Engineer Mara B. Montejo. And for the Secretariat, we have Architect Aisel Velarde, Engineer Muhammad Samin A. Mindalano, Engineer Ibrahim M. Makadindang, Ms. Salma B. Amer, Ms. Nora C. Anoos, Mr. Julito T. Magno, Mr. Rani Hardinaso, Mr. Saraman Laot, Engineer Aljunaira Miraato, Ms. Siti Dimaporo, and Mr. Jaime R. Michona. For participating contractors and their representatives, we have from Al-Amin Builders, Johari S. Otikal. From Al-Fahad Builders and Enterprises, Priscel Marshall. From Al-Norway Corporation, Glycel Bunukan. And from Matroson Builders and Engineering Services, Jason Rotor. And from NDP, Abdul Muhaimen Lukman. That's all, Madam Chair, for the attendance.
For our, we have no online bidders.
There is none, Madam Chair.
Okay, thank you. And now may I request again the Secretariat to read the minutes of the previous meeting.
May I request Architect Aisel Velarde to be recognized, Madam Chair.
Okay, please go ahead, Architect.
Okay, this is the reading of the previous minutes. This is a pre-bid conference with the related project 25KG0031 and also 25KG0032. The pre-bid conference was dated last December 3, 2024. And for the call to order and introduction, the back chairperson, Engineer Maria Lisa Pumikpik, presided and called the meeting to order for the pre-bid conference for 25 kg 0031 and 25 kg 0032 at the conference room, second floor, DPWH Lanao del Norte, 1st District Engineering Office Building. The meeting started with a prayer led by back Secretariat Mr. Laot and back Secretariat Head Engineer Reyes made a roll call and reported to the back chairman that the back members are in quorum. She also acknowledged the presence of the back TWG and secretariat members. Then the back chairman declared the meeting in session. For the reading of the previous minutes, back secretariat member Architect Velarde read the minutes of the previous meeting. After reading the pre-procurement minutes, back chairman then asked the back members if they had any corrections to the minutes being read. And no one raised a concern, so the back chairman declared the approve of the minutes of the previous meeting. For the basic presentation of the projects, contract data was presented by the Planning and Design Section Chief Engineer Tulud, informing everybody that the project presented is the last batch of the NEP projects based on DBM to undergo early procurement activity. Presentation of the details of the project was made by Engineer Liao of the Planning and Design Section. For 25 kg 0031, construction of multipurpose PNP PHQ firing range, Barangay Pigcarangan, Tubod, Lanao del Norte, with an approved budget of the contract of 19,800,000. And for the 25 kg 0032, construction or completion of multipurpose building phase 2, Barangay Poblacion, Maigo, Lanao del Norte, with an approved budget of the contract for 29,700,000. For questions and comments from the bidders and responses of the back and other DPWH officials, back chairman asked the back members if they had any query about the details of the project. Back Secretariat Head asked the planning engineers if how many buildings will be put up on each project. Architect Velarde explained that the building project at Maigo Market is a completion project and the PNP firing range is an improvement of the whole facility. Back Secretariat Head reminded all the prospective bidders that the office imposes the three-strike policy and also the accredited contractors, project engineers, and materials engineer, and also the only authorized contractors representative can transact in the office. For the adjournment, then there had been no other remaining topics for discussion. The back members, Engineer Tulod, made the motion for adjournment and the motion was seconded by back member Engineer Manan. Then the back chairman then declared the adjournment of the conference at 10:48 a.m. So that is it for the pre-bid conference minutes of the related project, Madam Chair.
Yes, thank you, Architect. Are there any errors or omission of the minutes just read, members? If there being none, so the minutes just read is approved. So we will proceed to the opening of bids for 25 kg 0031 and 32. And may I request again Engineer Parida Manan to read the bid proposals and Engineer Tulod for the checklist. Dito ka, Bit. Adun ako.
Good morning. Thirty-one. Morning again and Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. We have the first projects to be bid 25 kg 0031 construction of multi-purpose building PNP PHQ firing range Barangay Pigcarangan Tubod Lanao del Norte. The first bidder is Alpahad Builders. Certificate of Belgium's registration DTI statement of all ongoing government and private projects SLCC NFCC annual income tax return tax clearance certificate bid, bid security declaration organizational chart list of qualification of personnel key personnel list of equipment on or lease the list of materials testing apparatus certificate of availability of construction equipment construction methods score per CPM manpower schedule equipment schedule safety and health program omnibus storm statement TIP management plan PCMA affidavit of site inspection with Utah and certification that Alpad builders and enterprises are using concrete mix from DPWH accredited concrete batching plant. Site of definition, table of contents. For the financial, bid form, summary of bid prices, bid of quantities, detailed estimates, summary sheet, and cash flow by quarter with a bid amount of 19,225,818 pesos and 11 centavos. 19,225,818 pesos and 11 centavos with no discount offer. Second bidder, Matroson Builders and Engineering Services. Certificate of Belgium's registration. contractor's license, statement of all ongoing government and private projects, SLCC, NFCC, annual income tax return, tax clearance certificate, bid securing declaration, organizational chart, list and qualification of key personnel, affidavit of commitment to work, list of equipment owned and leased, list of material testing apparatus, certificate of equipment availability, omnibus form statement, construction methods, SCORB, per CPM, manpower schedule, equipment schedule, safety and health program, TIP management plan, PCMA, affidavit of site inspection with JTAG, and certification that Matroson Builders and Engineering Service are using concrete mix from the DPWH accredited concrete batching plant. Pass. Financial. Bid form. Bill of quantities. Summary of bid prices. Detailed estimates. Summary sheet of labor rates and equipment rental. And cash flow. The bid amount of 19,205,948 pesos and 27 cents. 19,205,948 pesos and 27 centavos with no discount offer. Next, NDP Construction Development, Technical Component, Certificate of Purchase Registration, Regular contractor's license, statement of all ongoing government and private contracts, SLCC, NFCC, annual income tax return, tax clearance certificate, bid securing declaration, contractor's organizational chart, certificate of key personnel for the project, key personnel affidavit of commitment, list of contractors' equipment to the contract, certificate of availability of construction equipment, and material testing apparatus. Construction methods, Discord, per CPM, manpower schedule, equipment schedule, safety and health program, omnibus form statement, TIP management plan, PCMA, affidavit of site inspection with UTAG, and certification that NDP construction development are using concrete mixed from DPWH accredited concrete batching plant. Ignition, type, site tabbing, pass. For the financial, bid form, summary of bid prices, bill of quantities, detailed estimates, cash flow, the bid amount of 19,546,934 pesos and 58 centavos. 19,546,934 pesos and 58 cents with no discount offer. Madam Chair, that's all for 25 kg 0031.
Thank you, Ma'am Pards. So the result of this bid offer will be subject for bid evaluation, post-qualification, and eligibility check. Now we will proceed to the next ID number, please, ma'am.
For contract ID 25 kg 0032, construction completion of multipurpose building phase 2, Poblacion, Maigo, Lanao del. The first bidder is Al-Amin Builder. Certificate of PhilGIPS registration. Contractor's license. Statement of all ongoing government and private contracts, ECLCC, NFCC, annual income tax return, tax clearance certificate, bid securing declaration, contractors organizational chart, contractor certification of key personnel for the contract, key personnel affidavit of commitment to work, list of contractor equipment pledged to the contract, list of material testing apparatus, certificate of availability of construction equipment, and minimum material testing apparatus, construction methods, score per CPM, manpower schedule, equipment schedule, safety and health program, omnibus storm statement, TIP management plan, PCMA, affidavit of site inspection with JUTAG attached, and certification that Al-Amin builders are using concrete mix from DPWH accredited concrete batching plant, site tabbing, pagination, pass. For the financial, bid form, bill of quantities, detailed estimate, and cash flow. The bid amount of 29,390,034 pesos and 69 cents. 29,390,034 pesos and 69 cents with a discount of 15,000 pesos. 15,000 pesos discount. Discount 15,000. $15,000. Alpahad Builders. The discounted amount of new amount is 29,375,034 pesos and cents, 69 centavos. Next, Alpahad Builders. Certificate of Pelgif's registration, contractor's license, statement of all ongoing government and private contracts, SLCC, NFCC, annual income tax return, tax clearance certificate, bid securing declaration, organizational chart, list and qualification of key personnel to be contract, list of equipment owned of lease, list of material testing apparatus, certificate of availability of construction equipment, construction methods, is per CPM, manpower schedule, equipment schedule, safety and health program, omnibus form statement, TIP management plan, PSMA, affidavit of site inspection with UTAG, and certification that Alpha Hard Builders and Enterprises are using concrete mix from the DPWH accredited concrete batching plant. Pass. For the financial, bid form, bill of quantities, summary of bid prices, detailed estimates, summary sheet of labor rates and equipment rental, and cash flow. With a bid amount of 29,468,721 pesos and 62 centavos. 29,468,721 pesos and 62 cents with no discount offer. Next, Al Norway Corporation. Certificate of Pelgif's registration. Contractor's license. List of ongoing government and ongoing government construction. SLCC, NFCC, annual income tax return, tax clearance certificate, bid securing declaration, organizational chart, certificate of key personnel, List of equipment owned or leased. List of material testing apparatus. Certification that the required construction equipment and laboratory are available and in good running condition. Construction methods. Per CPM. Score. Manpower schedule. Equipment schedule. Safety and health program. Omnibus term statement. DIP management plan. PCMA. Affidavit of site inspection with UTAG. And certification that Alnware Corporation using concrete mix from DPWH accredited concrete batching plant. Pass. For the financial bid form, bill of quantities, detailed statement, summary sheet, cash flow, with a bid amount of 29,376,295 pesos and 71 cents. 29,376,295 pesos and 71 cents with no discount offer. NDP Construction Development. Pearl Jeeps registration. Contractor's license. Statement of all ongoing contracts. SLCC. NFCC. Annual income tax return. Tax clearance certificate. Bid securing declaration. Contractors organizational chart. Certification and key personnel. Affidavit of commitment to work. List of contractor equipment please. List of materials. Apparatus. Certificate of availability of construction equipment and construction minimum material testing apparatus. Construction methods. Score. Per CPM. Manpower schedule. Equipment schedule. Safety and health program. Omnibus term statement. DIP management plan. PCMA. Affidavit of site inspection with UTAG. And certification that NDP Construction Development are using concrete mix from DPWH accredited concrete batching plant. Petition, high tabbing complied. For the financial bid form, bill of quantities, detailed estimates, summary sheet, and cash flow by quarter, and the bid amount of 29,384,343 pesos and 15 cents. 29,384,343 pesos and 15 cents with a discount of 20,000 from the bid amount. 20,000 discount from the bid amount. With a new amount of 29,364,343 pesos and 15 cents. Madam Chair, that's all for 25 kg 0032.
Thank you, Ma'am Pards. So I will announce first the result of the eligibility check. All participating bidders passed our sa eligibility check for both contract ID numbers 31 and 32. So the result of this bidding today will be subject for post-qualification and bid evaluation. So we will just wait for final result of the lowest calculated and responsive bid. So what will be the pleasure of the members?
Madam Chair, I move to adjourn our opening of bids.
Okay, it has been moved and seconded, so the bidding this morning is adjourned. Thank you, Auditor.